In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Salesforce. We'll walk through the process step by step, so you can quickly capture action items and keep your work organized inside Salesforce. Tasks are a great way to track follow-ups, calls, emails, or anything you don't want to forget. And once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds to set one up. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom bar of the page. On the left-hand side of that bar, you'll see an option called To-Do List. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a drawer will slide up from the bottom of your screen, showing you your current tasks and reminders. Inside that drawer, look for the button labeled New Task and click it. This will open a pop-up window where you can enter all the details for your new task. Let's go through the key fields in that pop-up. Start by choosing who the task is assigned to. This is required, and it's important because it determines who is responsible for completing the task. Most of the time, this will be you, but you can also assign it to another user if needed. Next, you can add an account related to the task. This links the task to a specific customer or company record, which makes it much easier to find later and gives you better context when you're looking at that account's activity history. After that, enter the task subject. This is also required and should be a short, clear summary of what needs to be done, like follow-up call about proposal or send onboarding email, then set a due date. This tells Salesforce and you when the task should be completed. Try to pick a realistic date so your task list stays meaningful and manageable. You can also add a comment or description. Use this space to include any extra details, notes from a previous conversation, or instructions that would help you when you come back to this task later. In the additional information section, set the task's status and priority. Both of these are required. Status might be something like not started or in progress, while priority could be high, normal, or low. Choosing these carefully helps you and your team understand what's most urgent. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields and reviewed your entries, go to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Save. Your new task is now created and will appear in your to-do list and in the related records inside Salesforce.